Motorsports International Tech Tip. Some of you may or may not know what this is. This is a shock pump or fork pump. They will come with any new Husky dirt bike. Reason being is some forks will use a spring. These bikes will actually have an air chamber. Some Suzuki models will have that, stuff like that. So always keep an eye on the pressure in there. You can lose pressure from transporting the bike, temperature changes. You can change it for riding conditions, whatever you need to do, but definitely need to have one of these in your toolbox and keep an eye on your pressures.